Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you how to make this super delicious sabudana khichadi. When I lived in Indore, I tasted it for the first time and was very tasty. So this recipe is inspired by Indori shahi sabudana khichadi. So before I continue, I tell you some more tips. So if you are not allowed to eat salt during your fast, you can add sugar only and it is super awesome. And for those who are not an Indian or don't understand the philosophy of Indian style fasting, so the philosophy is that food creates three kind of effects in your body. So according to Ayurveda, so first effect is satvik, and that means or sat, that means it creates good thoughts and positive energy. Then food also create effect like raj, that means it creates good blood and hence it provides you energy to continue or doing some daily things. And then third type of energy that food creates is tam. So that is the dark energy and basically darkness and violence kind of thing. So when we Indian fast, we fast to create such energy. So this is why we eat specific food during fasting. And since in the old ages yogis used to do fasting, and they used to eat the root vegetables and anything that is available in the forest. So this is why fasting recipes are very simple. So and now let's continue. For making sabudana ki khichdi, I wash sabudana with clean water and then I am going to soak it. Usually 2 hours is sufficient, and you see I didn't add much more water to it. And this is what is important to determine the consistency of sabudana khichdi. So you just have to cover it, you see closely, you just have to cover it, and then you leave it for a few hours and it will be soaked and at least triple in size. So I basically left it overnight, and now the sabudana are properly soaked. You see there is no cold, and this is how we want it. So basically we need these ingredients, some chopped potato and a lemon. Here is soaked sabudana and I added sugar, salt, chili and groundnut or ground peanut. And then I took some frozen chilies, you can use obviously fresh ones, and some cumin seeds, and I am also going to add some fennel seeds. So yeah, so this is the consistency that we need. And now we will proceed. I also added fennel seed, you can see here. Now I am heating a pan and I am going to add some oil to it. You can add anything, oil, butter, groundnut oil or sunflower oil. So I added coconut oil here. Now I added cumin and chili and let it crackle a bit. Now I added potato to it and I will cover it and let it cook. So potatoes are cooked. I added sabudana right now, and now I will simmer the flame and let it cook for a bit. So now sabudana khichdi is ready. You can enjoy it with chips or sabudana papad or grated carrots or chopped cucumber. So it's very flowy, and whole kitchen is smelling very great. It is well cooked and it's very tasty. Enjoy. Good appetite.